Hi everyone, I was gifted this new IPROUDER casserole dish. It is cast iron. I am in love with it. It comes in this really nice box, very giftable. And when you open it up, everything just looks so cute. Now I did take everything out of the plastic just to let you know. You get a really nice cleaning brush. The handle is plastic, and so are the bristles. That'll be great for cleaning. And then you get this really nice stainless steel slotted tong set. And it's a really nice design because it has the piece that you pull out to close it. And then what's special about this is that you get a lid that also doubles as a pan. I forgot to mention, you get 2 oven mitts. Love the color because you're never going to lose these. You can always find these in your drawer. So you have the lid, and then you have the actual casserole dish as well. So when you put these together, you have this Dutch oven. This comes pre-seasoned. If you don't own cast iron, you are going to be blown away with how great it is. It heats so well, so versatile. You can use this in the oven, on top of the stove, and even on your grill. And it comes with this little handy dandy sheet so that you know how to take care of it. Okay, I made some chicken. Let's take it out of the oven. And then you can move this right onto your stovetop. You can use the lid on this, or once everything is finished cooking, you can take the lid and use that as a cooking surface as well. So you get like 3 pans in one. You get the casserole, the lid that works as a skillet, and then the Dutch oven when you put the lid on. Again, this works in the oven, on top of the stove, and on your grill. Absolutely loving this. Let's take a few more close-up looks and learn a little more about it. This IPROUDER 2-in-1, I like to think 3-in-1 pre-seasoned cast iron casserole dish with skillet lid is the perfect cast iron Dutch oven. You could use this for lasagna, sourdough, all the things. This is so incredible. Check out the link below. 2 enthusiastic thumbs up.